If your favorite thing about project-based learning is stress or busy work, feel free to skip this. Otherwise, let's talk about a straightforward process for facilitating life-changing connective experiences. 3levels.org exists to create them where they currently don't, and to multiply them where they do. This video is about why and how we're growing a connective and collaborative movement, one project at a time. Picture a critical mass, as in a whole lot of us, connecting with ourselves, communities, and ecosystems, really taking on common issues like addiction, pollution, and corruption. Right? To make that a reality, we specialize in health and community engagement projects of any length for grades 6 through college. Health projects to connect with our own bodies, community engagement projects to connect with people around us, and either type to connect with nature whenever possible. We support independent studies, class projects, service requirements, capstones, and credit restoration. And right now we're piloting resources and advising support at no charge. Here's how it looks to work with us. You contact us. We meet on Zoom to talk ideas. 3 Levels makes a custom set of resources for you, you test them, and we tweak them as necessary. Then you use them to facilitate the project, if needed, along with advising support from us like check-ins or more tweaks to the resources. We also have built-in assessments to check on attitudes and progress on objectives, during and at the end. Based on interviews we've conducted, learners are often on their own when it comes to designing and executing projects involving community engagement, especially capstones and service projects. Many have reported anxiety and confusion during the process, and overall dissatisfaction or ambivalence afterward. Educators have also reported difficulty forming partnerships with local nonprofits. And some of those groups have shared stories about learners being unreliable volunteers. Those kinds of results point to insufficient execution, and we believe everyone deserves better. Which is why we've spent years building resources from which educators and learners can select to design projects that meet learning outcomes, have levels of learner agency based on desired outcomes, maximize opportunities to have and reflect on personally meaningful experiences, build learner self-efficacy and interest in being community contributors and leaders, and promote ongoing community partnerships. Here are 3 examples of those resources. This table from the website shows what community engagement projects can include. Like for one on local agriculture, a learner could do initial research, conduct an interview, volunteer at a local farm, and create a product like an illustrated timeline. The other topics and activities listed ideally give viewers a basic understanding of how things can work. And this page can simplify choosing a starting point. We can build around a learner's interest in a type of activity, a group of people, or a topic area. Those are all examples of planning resources. We have more for integrating learning results, communicating, researching, reflecting, assessing, evaluating, etc. We select from them to suit particular situations and needs, as determined in meetings with people like you. 3 Levels is one of my community engagement projects. It feels amazing to use stuff I'm good at in ways that can benefit others, especially empowering them to do likewise. With that power comes responsibility. Learners are putting academic knowledge and skills into play in ways that impact their lives and others. Instead of just getting through an experience, we need a lot more getting into it. That's where the connective juice is, and having it flow is what drives us. To support that, please let learners you work with know about us, or better yet, contact us to talk teamwork possibilities.